Alright guys, sorry this is really crappy camera, but whatever. It's just on my phone. So, got the new loot crate. It's fancy. Anywho, let's crack it open. And whoever wants to join me, by all means, join in, lounging in my room, on my awesome Star Wars bed. I already see red, which I'm hoping is Deadpool, because the theme month is dead, obviously. Okay, so that's freaking awesome. Watch, listen, play, share. Enjoy more of Dead. Wah, wah, wah. And I see that there is a figurine of Deadpool. Hells yes. Loot crate figurine Deadpool. Yes, yes, please. Eating, blazing doorknobs of death, banana face. That's what it says on the back. I know, all you guys really want to know that. Dude, that's awesome. I freaking love Deadpool so much. Let's see. Oh, yes. Deadpool shirt. Awesome. Tacos. Perfect. Tacos. Alright, the lighting is really bad too. Tacos. He's hanging upside down. His junk. What? Anywho. Yeah, loot crate pin. Just the regular February 2016 version. It's a little zombie guy. So that's pretty cool. Got the AMC, The Walking Dead. Oh, it's one of those collectible figurines. Alright. Let's see which one well, first. I know, fancy. So fancy. So fancy. I got that from watching too many videos. There we go. Let's see what I got. Oh my gosh, he's disassembled. He's disemboweled. Oh my gosh, he's freaking... He has a little stand and everything. It comes in a little bag and a bunch of different separate pieces. I'm totally gonna open him up. Let's see what it is. I'll probably edit some of this stuff out, but if I don't, you'll just get in the video for what it is. And you know what? I might just do that. I don't care if you think it's boring or not. Because I think it's awesome. I don't know if I can... A little body. It's so adorable. Oh goodness. Okay. Yes. Beautiful. Coming together. Yeah. You have to put a pin in his neck to see if that's the right thing. Ugh. I know this is so painful. What if you were just a toy and you had to be disassembled? That would not be fun for me at all. But you know what? I was gonna say kids would play with you, but I don't want that either, so never mind. Definitely not gonna put that out. Let's see. Ooh, fancy, fancy. Walking Dead character. All spiffy. That's pretty fancy. As he just falls off his little podium. Nice. Good job, brah. Oh my. He's very delicate. Okay. There he sits. Let's see what else. We got some soap on a rope. Daryl's Walker ear necklace. Ooh, yummy. Look at all them ears, y'all. Soap on a rope. Dun 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 dun. Soap on a rope. Dun, 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 dun. Soap on a... Sorry. Random dancing. And then you got the month's theme is dead. How to survive the zombie apocalypse. Bum, bum, bum. That was pretty awesome. Aw, the cute people. Did all the cute stuff. Learn new skills. Jawbreaker help. Look alive. Oh yeah, some Deadpool stuff. Yeah, guys, I'm totally going to get into vlog crap just because I think it's fun and cool. This one I probably won't edit just because this is like the first video. Well, like technically it's like my 4th video, but you know, we'll see how it goes. I would totally love to do this kind of thing. If any of you guys want to watch along the way, then by all means. I'll at least do some Loot Crate stuff, because I'm already getting that. I love this shirt. I'm probably going to wear this tomorrow. Oh, I can wear this tomorrow. Down. Well, thanks so much, guys. Stay tuned. I'll try and keep you updated. I know this definitely isn't the best kind of dealy bob and whatnot, but I think this is going to be fun. I'm just going to start recording myself just randomly, and it's already gone on too long, so I'll catch you guys next time. Loot Crate. It's really awesome. I love this stuff. Geeks all the way. Peace out.